Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude blade on a Bayonet type arm. First, remove the pre-installed small J-hook adapter from the wiper's connector. To do this, use a pen or screwdriver to pop it free. Now grab the universal adapter. Line up the adapter's middle cutout with the pin inside the connector. Make sure the open end of the adapter faces the double set of holes on the connector. Press it into place with a click. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper, make sure the arm is in the up position. Just slide the closed end of the adapter onto the bayonet arm. When it clicks, the blade's locked into place. Tug the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic cover from the blade and gently lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. It's that simple. You're done.